Hey y'all, what's up? This is Divine and welcome back to DVB96. Today is a really special day because we are heading to the beach today. So me and my school are off to Malibu to Zuma Beach, and it's gonna be my very first time heading to the beach in a couple of years, and it's my first time in LA, so we're gonna have a really special time today. We're gonna meet some new friends, we're gonna have a really awesome time, so I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this video. So without further ado, let's get started. What up? Alright, so it's very nice out here. The sun is really not out, but it's still a nice weather. Water is freaking cold. The waves are pretty intense, but other than that, it's really nice out here, y'all. Beach life is a life.